Dili sa Philippines, ang akong gisakyan padung sa trabaho is Trisikad. I'm on my way to our office and I feel happy this morning. So that's why I'm singing. And I'll be paying 15 pesos only from the main road to our workplace. Trisikad drivers have more income when there are classes because there are students, of course, going to the school and from the school going home. But during vacation, their income will become low. It could affect their way of living. On the other hand, in our family back home, we are contributing for our family. For example, I'll be bringing fruits, vegetables, meat or fish, and my sister will also bring food like sudan, and then my nephew would bring a sack of rice in order for us to survive, so that kung ang usa wala siya income karon, so adunay usa makadala og para pagkaon para mabuhi ang tanan. I think mao na ni Filipino nato nga batasan nga magtinabangay sa sulod sa paninalay para mabuhi ang tanan. So ang atong pamilya importante kayo diin aduna kita yung mga katambayayon sa atong mga kinabuhi.
Naabot na ko sa akong destination. Salamat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.